SketchUp can't push-pull curved surfaces by default. Stop doing it the hard way. Uh, Look, SketchUp can easily push-pull a flat surface like this, but curved surfaces completely fail. That's exactly where a giant push-pull comes in, giving real thicknesses instantly. Look how easily I can push-pull this curve. You can even type in the exact thickness. The plugin comes with different push-pull modes, each doing something unique. You can select the plugin directly from the shape or pick it from the list. Clicking the joint push-pull opens the setting panel. The first button resets everything to default if I have made some changes. Now all plugin settings are back to default. This checkbox moves the setting panel into another corner of the screen, and the other one opens more advanced options. Here we have face selection, which is one of the most important options in this plugin. It comes with 4 different modes. The first one is face by face, which push-pulls each face individually. And the second one is surface, and it push-pulls only separate faces. The third one is all connected faces. It push-pulls all faces that are connected together at once. And as you can see in this example, we can even type in an exact value. And the fourth mode is with the same material, which push-pulls all faces that share the same material at the same time. Here we have offset. If we select a face first and then type the offset value, the plugin push-pulls the shape by exactly the amount. Here we have finishing. Let me explain this clearly using 2 shapes. With the first shape and the first finishing option, when we push-pull, the original face gets deleted, but with the second shape and the second finishing option, the original face stays in place. It doesn't get deleted. It simply performs the push-pull while keeping the original face. Here we have plane. Let me make this clear with an example. It performs a push-pull, but it treats the front face as a flat plane. Next we have molding. Molding works with angles. It push-pulls the shapes at a specific angle. Both positive and negative in different directions. Here we have borders. The first mode is contour, which follows the current shape we are working with. The second mode is grid. Grid push-pulls the shape as a grid. Because if we look closely, a circle is actually made of multiple segments, so it treats it like a grid. And the last one is none. With none selected, the model itself doesn't change. It simply creates an offset surface from the selected face. The next option in this plugin is round push-pull. With this tool, we can select 2 faces and not only push-pull them. We can automatically round the corners. Here we have offset. We can type in a value and offset it by the exact amount. We'll select the entire shape and push-pull it so all the corners get rounded at once. If we go to geometry, we can see it clearly. And guys, here I have created a custom shortcut, Shift Q for hide in geometry. In SketchUp, you can assign your own shortcuts to almost any tool or option exactly the way you like. If you're not sure how to create shortcuts, I have explained it in another video. I will leave the link in description. Using the shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow in SketchUp. The next option in this plugin is Vector Push-Pull. With Vector Push-Pull, we select a face and move it along specific directions. We can move it along the X, Y, or Z axis manually, or choose a vector here and let the plugin automatically move it in the exact direction. In this section, we have offset where we can type in an exact value to control how far the face moves. And in this next example, you can clearly see where vector push-pull is most useful and how it helps in real modeling situations. The next option in this plugin is normal push-pull. As you can see in this example, it push-pulls the shape in this specific way. Let me explain why. This is a circle, and if we make it visible using the Shift Q shortcut we created, you will see that it's actually made up of multiple faces because it consists of many segments. This mode also comes with different options. One of them is tapering. Tapering controls whether the shape gets narrow or wider as it push-pulled. Using this, we can create many different forms. Here you can see that as push-pull, the shape becomes more tapered. Another powerful option here is random. I will explain random clearly with an example. Imagine we have a wall. Using random, we can automatically create a texture or pattern surface in a very short time. Look how quickly and naturally this design is generated. This is extremely useful in real SketchUp projects where tools like this can save you a huge amount of time and significantly speed up your workflow. In this example, I want to clearly explain extrude push-pull and follow push-pull. Extrude push-pull takes a face and extrude it in its own direction, but follow push-pull works differently. It doesn't extrude the face based on its own direction, and instead it continues the extrusion along the path the face came from. It follows the previous path regardless of whether the direction goes up or down. Look in this example, it's very clear, and we can say that extrude push-pull extrudes by face direction, but follow push-pull follows the path, not the face. If you want to learn one powerful plugin every day completely free and work in SketchUp like a pro, my channel is for you. Make sure to subscribe.